In this question, they have told that a gas of 15 kg is filled in a cylinder at a pressure of 10 to the power 7 Newton per meter square. The gas is leaking out of the cylinder. At one instant, the pressure of the gas is found to be 4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square. How much gas would have leaked out by then? Consider the temperature to be constant, they have told. They have given pressure 1, this is 10 to the power 7, and they have given pressure 2 also. These are the pressure initially, and after some time, unit is Newton per meter square. Unit here is Newton per meter square. We know the mass initially that we had. Mass initially that we had was 15 kg. Mass later on, how much it is left, that is what we need to find. That is this one. If we find M2, so then you can tell how much of gas is leaked out also. I'm going to take the ideal gas equation over here. What you need to remember here is there might be a leakage, but the volume of the cylinder, it is not changing. The volume is constant. And I've also told that in the equation, take temperature to be constant. In that case, I can write two formulas. P1V is equals to mu1 RT divided by P2V is equals to mu2 RT. If you divide P1 and P2, this is equals to mu1 by mu2. And you know the formula for mu1. Mu1 is m1 by molecular weight. Mu2 is m2 by molecular weight. Molecular weight gets cancelled. You have m1 by m2. If you substitute all the values, you have got P1 to be around 10 to the power 7 plus 7, and M2 P2 to be around P2 is supposed to be 4. This is 4 into 10 to the power 6. This is equals to mass M1. Mass M1 is 15, and M2 we do not know. We need to find it out now. If you cross multiply and solve it, you're going to get M2 is equals to 6 kg. Now this is the amount of gas which is left. Now how much is leaked out? Initially you had 15 kg, now 6 kg is left. The leaked out is 15 minus 6, 9 kg. 15 kg minus 6 kg is the amount leaked. This is the end of the